dum. Dum-de-dum. What a nice day in the mall. Yeah, show this game. Dum-de-dum. Oh! I didn't know it was gonna flood today. Get outside. Maybe. I don't know the rules. I don't really know how to swim, so... Try to get to the highest place, I think that's how it works. Or is that for only earthquakes? On top of the roof should be good. Uh-oh. Hey. Huh? Oh, no, going back up. Well, it's my final demise. Oh, no, not the McDonald's. We don't have that much time. Oh! Ah. What? Did it just... Oh! It's going down. Did they plug the hole? Nope, they did not. Well, we get on something that floats, like this. See? It's working out. Oh, no. Oh, no. Get on something. Oh. Oh. Bad. Oh. I don't know how to swim. I can grab onto something. This tree! Wait, it stopped. Oh, no. Are you sure it's going down? I do have flood controls, but that's why. It's not going down. Just flood is like, but no. I can't make it go down. How do I? So let's open the controls. Flood. I'm trying to find the delete button, like the control delete. There we go! Oh no! My legs! Oh no, all together. Oh, it's broken, isn't it? Oh my god. This is probably really water damaged. Look at the floor! How is this still working? Let's go look inside. What happens when there's a flood during, when there... I sound like that use that that this is what it looks like when a flood happens and it somehow just the car is completely fine. Everything's going up the stairs. Everything is fine. Not even this. Oh, I think it reset all the objects. That's oh no, the plant! Look at the plants! Look at the plant! No, it didn't reset it. Okay. It just barely moved anything. I think we need a different map for this. Because this is not a good map for a flood. Oh wait, isn't there an earthquake mob that I have? Hold on. There's a death ray. What does that do? Oh! Oh, I didn't know that. Smoke gun? That does nothing. I have so many mods. Oh, that's what the smoke gun does. It just is just not different map. How about the hollow rock? Hollow rock? Hollow rock. Change weather to sunny so we can actually see. Okay, show the controls. And we can oh, nope, that might be copyrighted. Huh? Where is it? It kind of makes sense since there's so much water everywhere, but the stupid seas really flood that much. Why is it not flooding? Oh, good. Oh, never mind. It's actually... Let's get on a boat. Be smart people. Boats float. Oh. Not the lighthouse! Oh, no. We can't go exploring because you know I can't swim and I can't breathe underwater. Oh no, there's everything is going underwater. Oh, just hold on, let me check in the spawn menu. While everything's being flooded. Yeah, what's that? Other? What is this? A white grandfather clock. Drop it in. Oh, drop it in. White grandfather talk to I wonder. Probably not. Yeah, they can. The lighthouse! No. Oh, no. Oh, what happened to the boat? Where's the what? Oh, it's gonna drive. But that's gonna do anything. Where's the control? Oh, it's in here. What's happening to the boat? It's going underwater. And I don't know why. He's slowing down. No, don't act out the Titanic, please. No. Maybe I can use my flamethrower to like evaporate all the water. No. Where's my flamethrower? It's not doing anything. Wait, did the water stop? No, I don't think it is. Oh no! No! Oh no! Close the door! Close the door! Close the door! Close the door! Oh no! Wait, did the flood stop? I think it did. No, it did. Oh, run! Go! Maybe you have to back up. Maybe I just went too far. Oh no, I'm getting under it. We gotta get out. Oh, this is my goodbyes. What is that? This is my goodbyes. Well, oh. Just wanted to film a normal video and teardown, which I've barely done. I don't know if I ever have. I don't think I have, so this first video of you seeing me play teardown, and then you see me get my boat get flooded. Oh no, she going down. Oh no, she going down. I can strap, I have this useless, I mean it's like I kind of have this useless diving suit, but since it's like one of those old ones, it's not useless, but it doesn't help me breathe underwater. But I think it helps me a little bit. I don't know. Dang it. No, I don't want to drown. Maybe I can spawn a boat just in case. Boats. Small boat? No, we need a speedboat. Speedboat. I don't know how to swim. We gotta use another boat to get over there. So, like a small boat. Oh. Wait, that one's going down. What is happening to all these boats? Also, I kept saying I don't know how to swim. It's like a yes and a no, but apparently in this universe I know how to swim, even though in real life I have no clue how to. Are all the boats just gonna go down? What is happening? Is there anything that will float? You. No, you're a robot, and you would probably electrocute me since you're in water and you can't handle water. Wait, did I just find a glitch? I can stay up here. No, I cannot. Oh no. Can I, like, is there anything that can protect me in some way? Prop pack. Blah, blah, blah. Big crate. You can. Can you? Oh, no, I don't think you can. Wait, yeah, I can. Wait, where the heck is the place? Like, where's the city? Like, where's the... You gotta drain the flood now. Hold on, show the menu. F8, F down. My boats, they're coming back up. Oh, this is gonna take a while, isn't it? How deep is it? Oh my gosh, the city is gonna be in shambles. Shambles, probably. That does not look natural. You obey physics, okay? Oh, you obey physics too. Wait, not obeying physics. You have to obey physics. Obey physics. This boat does not obey. Do any of these boats know how to obey physics? Or is it that one that just doesn't? You know how to obey physics, you do, and you don't. We'll just delete you. This is gonna take a long time, isn't it? Oh, no, now you aren't. Oh, I have to delete you, don't I? Where is the city? How long is this gonna take? I should just tell about 11. Are you sure it's going down? We should just reset the flood. So we can oh no! Oh no! Everything is floating. Let's see inside this. Is everything okay? I have to literally knock. No, I can't even knock it. That TV? Oh my gosh, everything. What did I expect? It's okay though. Somehow the light is still working. Let's check this building. Why does it have to look like a prison? What are you? You're broken is what you are. Oh my gosh, what is that like? Wasn't there a weird lava thing in here? Huh. I wonder where it is. I think it was in one of these buildings. Like this, there was this one right here. No, it wasn't. Well, I have no clue where the lava one is. Why are you mad? Why are you red? Maybe it's this one. Nope. I swear it was in this building. Maybe it's in here. No? How many times did I say nope? Or maybe it's in the downstairs. Did it already explode? You hear a bubbling sound when you get close to it. Oh, it's in this building. Somehow still working. It's lava and water. Just don't touch it. Okay, just top capture it and then shoot it. That's how you do it. Just Oh no. Why did you put plants? Okay. Why did you put plants right next to lava that could at any time explode? Oh my gosh. The pipes, are they normal or do they, nope, they do not normally look like that. No way I believe in that. Okay, let's check in this building. You know, I've seen all these doors are unlocked. It's either because this is a sandbox mode or they unlocked because they got flooded and they broke. It's probably one of those. All the crates are just on the roof. Oh my gosh, how are these through there? Did they go through the roof? Let's test this on a different map. This one was a good one to test on. One of my favorite and probably one of the biggest maps. I don't know if it is, but I feel like it is. Frustrum! I think that's how you spell it. I think that's how you say it. Frustrum. Let's just test it out. There's water in every single map. Uh-oh. Oh, good. Since it's going down. Oh no, it's going up now. There's a lot of high places. Tall places, I would say. Why is it not going up? What is it? Is it not going up? It should be. Toggle flood up. Oh. Where is it? Maybe it just doesn't like this one. Maybe we just gotta reset it. Let's just restart the map. Oh, there we go. Okay. Is there any boats? The boats failed us. Oh no, this is my house right here. No, my house. We gotta find the house. So. That's the party that they never, that everyone was invited to, but not me. Like, everyone but me. Maybe we should try to find Oh, whoa, this is very high. Oh, everything's in the sky again. Let's check out the quote-unquote cafe. Oh, this is what they mean by cafe. Is that the cash register? Click down here. Oh. The chairs somehow didn't move. Let's just check out. Oh, no. Delete. F8. Delete again. So now there should be no water. That should be flooding. Okay, let's check. Nope, I thought there was an apartment buildings in this building. There was apartments in this building. Oh, there's stuff in the sky again. Why is this so hard? Well, like boats and stuff. Let's check out the 50% off store thing. Is this a blender? Are these blenders? They're blenders. Well, let's go. Like the blender. What is this? Is this a light? Let's see the party they didn't invite me to. Fancy party. See, the door is locked. And of course they didn't invite me. See, fancy club. I'll have to jack my... Now, will you open? Yes, you will. See, it's perfect size for the entire town, except for me. It's like nothing got affected. I mean, it's not nothing. But like, not as many people as last time. Wow. This is like kind of a long video. Ow! It's kind of a long video. Play more teardown channel for more different maps. Also tell me in the comments. Oh, it's a bus station.